it's just me and Sharon going one person at a time, like twice a week to go ship out orders. I just need to vent. On the way to my new place that I bought. Good morning, well, good afternoon really. A new week, and I got some packages in, so I'm just gonna open those. I've been working all morning, and my battery's gonna die. So let's just open the packages. Wait, the shit I ordered from Revolve yesterday is here. There's no way. This must be other stuff. Holy fuck, I ordered this yesterday afternoon.
Well, that's possible.
I actually don't know how that's possible. Like, that's insane.
Plus they get so much business in Canada,
They have a warehouse here now? I don't know. Anyway, I ordered stuff from Revolve yesterday afternoon and it's already here, which doesn't make any sense. But one of the things I got is Nuki Zoo. This is hair oil and they have the nicest packaging. Like that. And then I got just a loungewear set and a shirt for content. I think this package is really exciting. I bought this a while ago. I bought this before I needed to save my money. Alright, we're just ripping it open. I made a purchase from Dior. But since everything was closed in Canada and you can't buy Dior online from the boutique in Canada, I got thread styling to help me out. All right. So pretty. This is what I got. They're so pretty. I have them in a flat version, so I had to get them the heeled version. Now I'm gonna go take photos of them. Good morning. My house is an absolute fucking shit show. Got up, had coffee, and now I'm gonna work out. I'm just gonna do a 20-minute butt and I'm still like tired, I don't know. Butt and ab workout. I had to touch my abs to remember what it's called. And when I work out in the morning, I wear the shirt I sleep in to work out in because I'm that lazy. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm actually going to the office today, but I'll explain after I don't look like this. I didn't shower or anything because I'm literally going to do factory work all day, so just wearing like a t-shirt I don't care about and sneakers and shorts. I'll explain what we're doing in the car. I'm just carrying a lot of stuff right now, including a coffee. All right, so pretty much going to the office with Sharon. So pretty much the situation is we right now fulfill all orders in-house. So we have all of our inventory in our office, which is just kind of like our office is overflowing. And the reason we did that was because we wanted to save money. When you have someone else ship your products out, it costs money. It costs money to store it. It costs money per shipment. And we wanted to save money. So we're at the point now where we're getting way too many orders for it to just be like me and Sharon packing orders in the office. And that's why if you've ordered from Uncle, like it takes a while for the thing to ship out, because it's literally, especially like during the pandemic, it's very difficult because we don't have everyone in office. So it's just me and Sharon going one person at a time, like twice a week to go ship out orders on top of all the other work that we have to do. So it's not like just shipping orders is like our only job. Like Sharon runs the whole production operations and I'm doing all the marketing and advertising, and you know, we're constantly we have team members, and so you have to do your normal job on top of shipping orders, and shipping orders can take up to like 8 hours. That's the situation right now. So we're going into, first of all, pack and ship all the orders. We have so many open orders, it's a little intimidating. And then we're actually moving our shipment to a fulfillment house, so a 3PL, third-party logistics company, and they will ship out the orders from now on, so all the orders are going out on time, and like we don't have to do it anymore. We're at the point where it makes sense for us financially and for the amount of orders that we're getting. But to do that, we need to pack up all of our inventory, we need to do an inventory count, we need to make a proper SKU system to send to them, and so we have to ship out all these orders, and then we have to have a cutoff, and for 2 weeks after we ship it out, they need 2 weeks to set everything up, so no orders can go out. So it's a bit of a complicated process, but it'll obviously make our company better in the long run. That's why I have a second coffee. And that's why I'm wearing this, because today, packing orders, we're bagging everything up, we're gonna get everything organized, and yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be a lot off of our plate after, freeing up a lot of our time to really focus on growing the company. So let's go. All right, the office now. These stairs get me every time. I look like I'm a camp counselor right now. My backpack, Dora the Explorer. Insurance here.
Yeah, I haven't been on the vlog in so long.
I know. 200 orders down, lots more to go, but it's dark outside now.
And we tired.
And we're very tired.
I'm sweaty.
Can't wait till we go to fulfillment, because this is insane. Lots, but I hope you all enjoy your stuff. And it's dark outside, and we're done. We quit. And I won't show you because my hair is literally wet. It's so greasy. Goodbye. Good night. Okay, we're on the way to my new place that I bought. That was it. It was like super anticlimactic. So 3 weeks ago, I put an offer in on a place and I got it, and I haven't announced it because there's just a lot more important things going on. It doesn't really feel real because like you pretty much just like give all your money away and then you are in the same position as you were before because you don't close for like a few months. But I will talk more about that process in another video, or maybe later in this video. We're going to see the place again to take some measurements, and I move in August 1st.
Yeah, it's a good size.
I'm gonna say it's perfect.
What is that?
The original one.
Right.
Is that for like a specific person that you don't want to call it? Or
Yeah,
that's
so
what
you
you
walk
want
that
to
box and you're like, oh my god.
That's for everybody.
Yeah.
That's what it's gonna- Like same sort of style.
Oh, sorry, I'm a little sweaty and gross just sitting outside. It was a very hot day today, but I have this huge fucking pimple. Not that I need to point that out to you. Not that I needed to point that out to you. Anyway, yeah, so I bought a place, which is so scary and very overwhelming. Obviously, prices in Toronto are not cheap. And so I'm excited. I kind of give you a little sneak peek of it. But yeah, it's very, I don't know, it's weird. Like, it's not happening for a while, and it's very adult. I've already had my like mental breakdown about it. I like fully had a I cried over it and stuff, just because it's very scary. It's a lot of money, and you know, you see all your money leave your bank account that you've been saving up, so it's very strange. But I know I'm so monotone, but I am very excited, and you know, we're really measuring things out today, and I'm gonna renovate a few things. So specifically, like the bathrooms are black, and obviously I like light and bright, just especially for filming and stuff. I'm gonna renovate a few things. I have some overlap time between the end of my lease and the start of like getting my new place, so I'll do it probably during that time. Obviously, I'll take you guys along with me, the whole renovation process, which is gonna be really exciting. And then I'm actually probably gonna end up doing 3 sets of renovations. So my preliminary renovations, which will be the bathrooms, putting in some closet situations, painting, that sort of things, like freshen it up, clean it up before I move in. And then I want to live in it for a little bit, kind of get a feel for it. And then I will redo the kitchen, the floors, and that's it. So not a huge reno, but the kitchen is just brown, and I feel like there is a better way. It's not functionally very good, and it's very condo-y, like the stove and stuff is very small. So I think there's a better way, a better use of space. I would get a kitchen designer person in to like figure it out and figure out functionality, but I want to live in it for a bit and see, like, you know, where the downfalls are and etc. And obviously then be able to save for that kitchen reno. So yeah, it's really crazy. I'm very excited. I'm very nervous. I have to sell a lot of my furniture, which sucks. It sucks so much, but that's what happens when you rent and whatever. And I don't know, it's just been a weird couple years, so I'm not too upset about it. But yeah, at least I don't have to sell my couch. I wouldn't have bought a place that couldn't fit my couch. That's for sure. So a new chapter, very excited. Can't wait to take you along with me. Can't wait to do all the renovations and show you how I do that. I'll probably start going to like tile stores and stuff soon. I mean, it's a good activity while like I'm not doing anything really, so it's a fun activity. Get to plan out kitchens and bathrooms, and I'm spending a lot of time on Pinterest. So if you want to check out my Pinterest boards for the vibes, my Pinterest name I think is Shaw. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really happy to tell you guys. I was keeping it secret for a little bit, so I mean, there's also another big secret in my life that I'll share with you when I feel comfortable, but yeah, I'm excited. I think telling you guys, I know this is so stupid and everyone's been like making fun of me because I haven't had any emotion to it, but telling you guys, it makes it feel like a lot more real. And I feel like you guys have been with me through so many parts of my life. So like buying my first place is such a big one, and it makes it definitely feel a little more real. Like I feel very excited in this moment. So I'm really excited to tell you guys. Yeah.